My name is Caroline Orao and I work in marketing. I heard about Nabo from a friend of mine who'd been investing with them for a few months before she told me about how good it was to invest with Nabo. So I decided, you know what, why not give it a shot? I have learned about the inner workings of Nabo, how they operate, what each department is responsible for, what my relationship manager is supposed to do for me, and how they guide me through the different investments I'm supposed to make. I chose Nabo because I wanted a company that's reliable, a company that's transparent. I wanted to feel safe where my money is concerned, and Nabo gives me that on a day-to-day. I feel like my investment is secure. I won't wake up the next morning and I can't withdraw my funds. So I feel very safe and secure with Nabo. That's what I was looking for, and it's what I got. Before Nabo, I'd invested in the stock market in NSE, and also in just the regular savings account in the bank. Yeah, but I was looking for something that gives me better return, that's not as risky, but still gives me better return than the bank, and also that's a bit more assured than the stock market. So that's why I settled on Nabo. What has stood out? What has stood out for me is the customer service. I like how when I get my monthly statements and I feel like, I don't know if you'll have this in, and I feel like the interest is not as great as I wanted it to be. Like I can just hit my customer service rep up, my relationship manager, and I can talk to them about any concern I have. If I feel worried, if I feel like it's not growing, my investment is not growing as much as I want it to grow, they're able to guide me through. So what stands out for me in Nabo so far has been their relationship management, like how they guide you through your investment. You're able to sit down with your manager, you talk to them about your goals, and then they tell you exactly how you can plug in and how you can achieve your goals, and they just hold your hand every step of the way. So I like that relationship that Nabo has with their customers. My advice would be figure out what your goal is. Do you want to preserve your capital? Do you want to grow it? Figure out what your goal is. What is your main reason for investing? And then start from there. Once you figure out why you want to invest, then you find a suitable partner, then you're able to achieve your goals. It took a while, okay, not so long, but it took me a while to settle on Nabo, because I'm always, when it comes to my savings, I'm very, very skeptical. Like I want to know everything before I give a company my money, or before I decide to invest all my savings in a specific fund or whatever. So before I settled on Nabo, I window shopped around the different investment firms available locally. I also did like a pros and cons list of the different, the different investment vehicles, like whether it's stocks, whether it's a bank, like the different investment vehicles available. And then I eventually settled on Nabo after doing that thorough analysis of pros and cons, of return versus risk. I would describe Nabo as transparent. Nabo is very transparent about their dealings and processes. Nabo is credible. That was very important for me. I want to partner with a company that's credible, where my money is safe. So Nabo is transparent, Nabo is credible, Nabo is reliable. I know it sounds like the same thing as credible, but it's reliable in that, again, it goes back to how they relate with their clients and their customers. I can call if I have any issue, if I'm feeling a bit worried, I can call anytime and they assure me and they guide me. So I'd say Nabo is transparent, reliable, and credible. So I can say that I love that I made this decision. It is definitely 1,000 times much better than letting your money lie idle in a bank. It took me a while to realize that the returns you get with NABO, with the money market fund and the other investment funds they have available, is that it is much more better to put your money with NABO than it is with a bank, because the returns are incomparable. With NABO, you get better returns, and then you have peace of mind. I'd say you have peace of mind. So yeah, that's what I'd like to say, is that it's better return, you have peace of mind, and they manage the risks for you. So you don't have to worry about that at the same time.